Ita man lang, pero mga energetic ka palang gano'n ito. Sa bali nga talaga ti maita, iti nabsog ako na sa bali nga talaga ti performance ti nabsog. Ayan, okay, that's it. And napaya ti mabalintang kansyonan balong bumasa naman. Agilokano to ulit.
Kumporyo?
Awan, sige sa bagay, international nga kunada. Okay, good PM po kuya. Request nga po yung Goodbye Girl. At pabati naman po kami ng asawa ko na si Joey at ang anak ko na si John Carl. Ito po sa Purok 6 ng Sagana, Santiago. Thanks, DJ. Oho. Pinasamsama amin nagituyin.
Malipay.
Gandang tanghali. Hapon po dito kami sa silo ng Kalatsutsi. Great ko po si Kuya Bobo at Mia, Charlie at yung mahal ko na si Noel Cardenas. Thank you po. Pa-play ng alas 3 di Parabangon.
May nagpapabati din dito.
Hello
po ulit. Pag-great po lahat ng teachers ng Rizal Elementary School ng Difun. Thank you po.
Yes, good afternoon, Apo. Kita-kita manursuro ako na dahil.
Kita-kita anti-soping. Madi makita kinagawa po yun mga idol. Kung ano ni Flor Mesa Blas.
Ayan, kamayat samutan.
Apan kayo kanotoy kordon into no September 24.
Yes.
Topher, sorry. Ito nabigat.
Nabigat oras? Po, bang kamita, malam. Hello, sir. Ading Jan Mark Guapo, great kuman tropang foods, Marge, Dudes, Ludes, Dons, Mayos, Roels, Ken Banangs, nga nag-birthday di Kalman. Ken Banks, pagaling ka ha. Di ka mablao, Junes. Di great, di tropang foods. Puro plural kayo, ta.
Pagkablao, dahil di karuba nga adik dan, ngagdungdunggag ti programa yaw. Oy,
what?
Dito ay puro 4 teranyag ng runa dagiti pamilya ni Reden Ancheta. Yamang kami yapong. Sabi ka mata, di kayo mamoma. Nga dumungag. Galing talaga nila. Kanda ni Risa Ferrer. Hi Manong, June kita din dyan. Pakitugtog man dyan, You and I by Renz Burano. Thanks mga. You and I will never say goodbye.
So ajan, Renz Burano di dyan?
Da Tagalog na gamin na dyan no kakay.
Ay. Ang alam ko yun kay Kwan lang kay Rico Puno.
Ay.
So,
kapag ang puso'y nasanay ng mag-isa. Diba na ni Renz Burano ba? Puro lungkot na lang ang nadarama. Remember me, Ajay. Remember me kapag nag-iisa. Kapag ikay nalulungkot, huwag kang mag-alala.
May agaya mo si kamang kantata.
Kaya lang nasakit karabukob. Ano pa yung kanta na?
Agor ka DJ, You and I, kita taman no, ayan na DJ.
Yung kanta na Keep on Loving You, ni Renz Burano. Keep on loving you kung sadyang di ako ang sigaw at tibok ng puso mo. Di masay?
Mayat sa, kastagaan naman kung ungwag ka yan.
Iyapan mo lang ikantan, ti ungwag mo.
Madi mo mamerukan ta, You and I yun.
Pa-shoutout naman mga idols from Stephanie Lorraine. Kanaman ni Kristen Santiago, nakikinig sila lahat sa bahay. Yun, magandang hapon sa bahay nyo.
Aming nga tao dyan, balay na sige.
UNI, yun o. Ibang UNI, ano?
Hindi ka mo man, sunod na din nga UNI, kinantaman. Sa bali. Kenny Rogers ito.
Gusto na kami na yung kanta ni Renz Burano na yan.
Dati nakita-kita ngayon, niramit ko dahil idin na I can perfectly remember. Kinanta lang
Do you remember? Pa-shoutout po mga idol watching from Singapore. Hello po, Singapore. Hello po sa family ko sa Nueva Vizcaya. Thanks po. From Mercy Francisco. Pa-request nga po ng From This Moment. From Christina Rumbawa.
Parigatan, no ta?
Go ating gem, Renz Burano. Renz Burano, why don't you come to your senses?
I guess this one. Pero di ka malagi po, no? Kaso nung asumsubra ka to yan.
Dan sa version ni Kwa?
Ni?
Rico J. Puno di dyan. You and I. Diba? Rico J. Puno, meron din. Pa-shoutout man karoba dito ay Double E Car Care Center. Hindi po results me Jevens Ramirez
Nag-text
Cristo.
na nabasa ko.
This I promise you man mga manong. From LJ Fernando.
Hindi ka mo yan, Odejayan.
Yun sa folder natin, Odessa. Tears your eyes, I know it's around.
Pero kung yung lyrics ng ano,
Dito sa kon. Gaggle. I-gaggle ta.
okay, na 1 na ibusang taman ti orasan. It's 32 minutes past the hour of 2
Ayun, oh.
o'clock. Ayan.
Meron na akong lyrics. This I promise ko na. Yan ata yan. Sige, dyan nga. Doon sa baba, letter T. Tingnan mo nga. Diba? Sabi kasi eh.
Si Questa, dito nga ro.
Patasan ta.
Nga ito to, hindi babata.
Hindi, okay lang yan.
Okay.
Iwas yan. Kaslakasaran ka lang. When the visions surround you, from tears to your eyes, and all that surrounds you are secrets and lies. I'll be your strength, I'll give you hope, keeping your faith when it's gone. The one you should call was standing there all alone. And I will take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong, till the day my life is through. This I promise you. This I promise you. I've loved you forever, in lifetimes before. And I promise you never will you hurt anymore. I give you my word, I give you my heart. This is a battle we've won, and with this vow, forever has now begun. Curtis D ito.
Nalpa, sa tangang sonata, this I promise you pa the NSYNC. Okay, ang road.
Ano, NSYNC?
NSYNC?
NSYNC. Beautiful in White po from Christine Santiago. Ano, talaga nga pangkaskasaran na gito isa na.
Ano?
Beautiful in White.
Beautiful in White. Iti sumaroon ako nga
Not sure if yun,
request.
yes.
Iti katayin na nga
Marching of the Bride. Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak.
In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found this missing piece.
So as long as I live, I love you. Will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason, you're all that I believe in. With all my heart I need every word. So as long as I live, I love you. Will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. You look so beautiful in white. So beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter's what a future holds, I hope she has your eyes. Finds love like you and I did. Yeah, and when she falls in love and let her go, I walk her down the aisle. She looks so beautiful in white. You look so beautiful in white. So as long as I live, I love you. Will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. You look so beautiful in white tonight, today, and tomorrow.
Yeah, beautiful and white. As requested, get may saping nga sonata ti kayat na kanong mga ganda. Ating Ella Vanadero. At ay sonata nga na Paul 1. God
Inted na ka na apo.
gave me you.
Someday. For all the time one was to blame. I still curse that rain. Didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue. Then out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. For all the times I wore myself beaten like a favorite shirt, or a tempting that hurt. For every glass I saw half empty. Now it overflows like a river through my soul. From every doubt I had, I'm finally free. I truly believe God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. In your arms I'm someone new, with every tender kiss from you. Oh, must confess, I've been blessed. God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you.
Katorse
14
lang na
minutes.
po din na mabatin. Sakbay iti alas 3 ti malam. Kaya kaya mimitin na po nga lang dito kung daway nga ipakamo kata kayo. Nga inton na Domingo apo kat awan kami. Yan.
Next Sunday. Tataji kami.
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Yes. And we're going to meet our Karubas
Meet
there apo.
and greet.
Yes, meet and greet with the Fodek Duo Hong Kong chapter.
And to all Karubas around
yes,
Hong Kong and Macau.
And
siguro?
Macau. And kasi nga road. Kanang nga road. Di ba? So nga, anyway, adan to siguro ti tumugaw dito abo for us ito na Sunday. And ang tabayanan nyo, kahit baka no ag-live kami tumatlaan kadagitang kanito ngam sa dito Hong Kong.
What?
So, ipakamumi lang nga po tadidakan tumit ng untahan ito no awang kami. Nga road, kahit 13 minutos lang yan na po tinababatin. Kahit ditan apong
Tinagibusan.
Yes. Kaya mo data, kantahan balong.
Ano yan?
Yan.
Ano yan?
Okay, ditan apo di nagibusan ti presentasyon tayo tatang Domingo. And this has been your super duper Manong June Soriano Sugadwood.
Jamba Pasto.
Saying good day and God bless everyone.
And thank you so much.
Of course, never
For listening.
ever. Yes. Never ever give up. No niya man na po sa mong bay nga problema. Iti aglaw-law kasi di kalapas apong nga bagyo. Uray no basito ti maapit. Kiputan naruros. Dagi nga pagpagayan. Hang kayo nga give up. Okay, kita challenges lang ito ni Apo. Kat nga ito data. No hantay nga kabaalan. So once again, never and please don't give up. This one goes out to all.
When I look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. There's so much they hold. Just like them old stars, see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? Well, I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. Giving you all my love, still looking up. And when you're needing your space to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. 'Cause even the stars, they burn, some even fall to the earth. We've got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. I don't wanna be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our differences to do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got here. We got a lot at stake. And in the end, you're still my friend. At least we didn't intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I've got and what I'm not and who I am. I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, still looking up. Well, I won't give up on us. God knows I'm tough enough. We've got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love, still looking up.
So once again, see you in Hong Kong, Kaarubas.